Raised panel router bits. If you go around your local woodworking store, the most flexible instrument you can find is the router bit, just like the raised panel router bits. And you might wonder, what is the purpose of this tool? Well, it is simply used to cut, trim, drill, and design wood or doors. But the function of a router bit depends on your creative thinking and the kind of router bit you are handling. It is very possible for you to change the function of this wonderful device if you just purchase the right router bit for your woodworking tasks. If you love woodworking or it's simply your work, then woodworking using a router bit is the most important thing to become skilled at. So if you want to know more about raised panel router bits, you might want to visit www.raisedpanelrouterbits.net. Thank you.